Welcome back to Fast Fix. Today I will show you how to remove someone from Snapchat group chat. So when you tap on the chat icon right here and you swipe it down, you can see more options right here on the top. You can see the groups over here. You can see my group right here. And when you tap on the profile of the group, you can see here the members that have been added up right here. I can tap on view more. So right here, if you want to remove someone on your group chat, you need to tap and hold these accounts. So for example, I want to remove this one, and then you can see remove from group option. You just tap on that. And once you tap on this one, you can see Kelly and other group members will know that you removed them from this group. Kelly will still be able to see the history of the conversation and can take screenshots. So to continue, just tap on remove Kelly. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.